It's time check is 5 o'clock in the morning.
Good morning, good morning. Ready?
Oh, wait lang.
29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs.
See you later, Japan.
ซึ่งพนักงานต้อนรับกำลังฉีดเพื่อขอความช่วยเหลือ
The light comes on when in contact with water, and here is a whistle. As we start our descent, please return to your seat. Put your seat in an upright position. Secure your tray tables.
Hello, what Arun Grandfathers? Welcome to Thailand. Hello. Hey guys, dito na kami sa Bangkok. Bangkok. Si Daddy G. Sila Johan. Punta na kami sa holiday. Wow. Liwanag guys. Liwanag ang buhay. Royal. Royal sa. Sobrang sobrang bright.
Deep fried sea bass.
Wow, sarap. What is this? Wow, mushroom. What is this? Rice. Thai rice. What is this? Oh, sausage. Uy, meron silang chicharon no, social. Oh, they have more here. Oh, they have vegetables here. Oh, fruits, papaya and... Oh, may suman. Steamed sticky rice. Sarap. Okay. Oh, they have ice cream too and... noodles, yeah. Baby? Yeah. I'm gonna sit here and eat. Ang ganda ng bathroom, oh. Yan, may table. Just the one. Eat guys, this is free meal from Priority Pass. Ching. Baby naman sobrang liwanag. So andito na kami sa pangalawang plane ride namin papuntang Chiang Mai. Sila yung nandoon sa kabilang side.
Hey.
Okay, this is the last stop, Chiang Mai. Okay, we're gonna wait for taxi. I already got. Thank you. Are we good? Kapun ka. Kapun ka. Saban tayo, saban. Oh, daming ano dyan oh, taxi oh. 50 pa rin. Hindi na namin kailangan ng SIM card because we're using Google Fi. So anywhere we go, we're good with our SIM card.
340 sa Instagram.
Kaya nga, mas mura pa dito.
Ano yung password mo?
6:22 and Japan time is 8:22. Andiyan na yung taxi namin guys. Let's go. Fine, let's go Chiang Mai. Philippines and Japan.
Philippines and Japan. Sure na? No, Japan. Welcome to Chiang Mai. How many days?
7, I think. I think Tree Old Town. Oh, that's the big Tree Old Town, no? You saw that? Wait, what's that? What's this temple? What is it? Temple. What's the gold one? Oh, this is our hotel.
This whole authentic. That's why. Little bit. This one here.
Oh, walking distance. Oh. Ah, okay. Sangkanto. We're here, Joe. Okay, this is our hotel. Little Bear's home. This is our little hotel. Close to everything. Yay. Little Bear home. Okay. Second floor. This is our third floor with no elevator. Okay. 301. This is our room. In it.
Second floor.
Third floor, that's our shower. It's okay. This is the kids' room. 2 king bed. And there's a TV. And they have their own shower, microwave, and fridge.
I mean little bear. Little bears.
Where? Oh, I know.
There's a whole bear.
And then there's a
small
bear.
bear, and then there's a big bear.
First night in Chiang Mai. We're going to a night market. Going up. Let's go. Yeah, I'm gonna ask. Hello. Is there any night market near here? Oh, here? Straight? Alright, thank you. Just walk straight there. Ito na yung pupuntahan natin bukas. What pressing? Street foods. Ayan o. Wonton noodle and everything. Marami kami nadaan ng mga tindahan dyan. Money exchange. Kopra school. Papapicture ako dito. Ball. Oh, may hotdog.
I'll grab it.
Oh, may kulay green
Which
pa.
one is the chicken? This one? Yeah.
Kayo na bahala. Kayo na bahala. Titikim lang ako. Yeah. Ayun na yung stripes. Ano yun? Hotdog na stripe.
What is this one? Tofu.
Taho.
Oh,
Daw, taho. Taho.
that's right. How much is it? Oh.
Ano daw? Wait lang daw. Meron silang 7-Eleven dito, oh. Ha? Ay, mangga! Oh my gosh, I'm gonna buy mango! Mango, baby! Nasaan na sila dito? May mangga at saka ano? Yes, how much? 25 baht? Okay. 25 baht, baby. Ang sarap tignan mo, ano. Oh.
That shrimp paste? That shrimp paste? Sorry?
Okay. Oh, okay, pakiko. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Wow.
Buwa-buwa ka pala eh.
Tikman mo na. Mango. Oh my gosh. Asin yan?
Yeah.
Sarap. Yay! The common hostel na daanan natin. Second hand yata to. Mga polo. Ayan, mga polo be, oh. Ang ganda nitong hotel na to, oh, guys. Ito. Liana Oriental Hotel. Ayan, ang ganda. Ito siya. Malinis, tsaka maganda. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Puro katabi niya pa mga ano, bars and coffee shops. Nice sweet boutique. Gusto House. Ano to? Niyomen. Ang ganda. Guys, ang ganda ng neighborhood dito. Oy, lakad-lakad ka lang. Marami ka makikita. Luna. Massage. Medyo mainit. ano? Yan, ako ba? It's humid. It's acceptable naman yung ano. Hindi naman masyado mainit. Not too hot, but it's humid. Malapit lang kami. Dito, parang ano na to, oh. Walking distance sa mga... Para tayo na sa Manila.
We're gonna turn right anyway, right, Johan? Or we have to go up to the... Let's cross the bridge.
Cross the bridge? What? Cross. Para kami nasa Manila. Wow, what is this? This is the Silver Temple! Oh my G, so nice! This is the Silver Temple, baby! We can go inside! Titignan ko lang. We're gonna go here tomorrow, ha? Ha, bebe?
Ikaw naman nagpaplano dito. You're in control.
Okay. This is what it looks like at night. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty! Wait! Oh my god! This is how it looks like at night. I think this is the Silver Temple. Maraming tao dito bukas eh. Maganda ngayon na walang tao. Ay,
baby.
wala kong elephant. Oh my god! There's a big Buddha over there! Ganyan yung barbecue buffet nila, oh. May ganyan sa lamesa. Premier Chiang Mai Hostel. Nook Cafe and Bar. So, may kainan na naman. Grabe, pinagpapawisan na ako, guys. Ito na yung night market! OMG! Dito na kami sa night market, guys. Daming pharmacy dito. Ay, merong grocery. Ito na yung night market. Nalakad na kami. Wow! Wow, may mga barbecue ihaw. Takoyaki. Nagsasara na yung iba. Nagsasara na yung iba. Marami nag-aantay dito. Marami nakapila dahil. Wow! This is the night market. Wow! Oh, barbecue. 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 Ganyan, oh. Marami pa dun, guys. So, sa dulo, hanggang dulo pa to. Wow! Wow! Ang cute naman yung juice nila, oh. Oh. May fresh coconut. They have that. What is that? Oh. Parang binatog, baby, oh. The other part first. Oo nga. Halo-halo? Halo-halo yan? Hindi. Oh, tingnan mo laman loob, oh. Gosh. Wow. Sopaw? Wow. 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 Pork bun? Wow. What is this? Fried food? Wow. Korean chicken?
They have Korean? May store. Akala ko may mga store. Kasi
anong
di ba
store?
bibili kayo ng tsinelas?
Ah, okay lang kahit bukas na yun.
Okay.
Kung wala tayong makita. Wow, seafood. Seafood yarn. Wow. Oh, lahat meron.
Can see menu please?
That's okay. Thank you. Thank you. That pork?
Crispy hot.
Okay. Wow. No more?
Ayun yung pinakamalaki.
Ha?
Ayun yung pinakamalaki.
Wow. Ayun yung coconut ano, di ba? Yung pinaka-famous ano nila. Parang pa. Lumpia. They have lumpia. Oh, they have fresh mango over there. Okay.
I have 5 vegetables.
Sabi ko si Masin. Tabi tayo. Is it good? That's chicken satay? Chicken. We have fried rice, chicken satay. Ano ba yung kinakain dito? Wonton. Gyoza. Fried gyoza. Antayin ko yung pad thai ko. Ando niluluto pa. Is that tom yum? That's tom yum. We are at the night market still. Night market, guys. Wow, ang dami. Oh no. Nag-order si Daddy ng coconut. Ayan. Yay. Ayo. Fresh. Nami, guys. Super busog. Ang dami pa rin food. Ang anghang nito, grabe. Ano tawag dyan? Nakagat ka na? Kailangan na natin bumili ng mosquito. Anong repellent.
And that's it for the first day of our Chiang Mai trip. Thanks for watching. Until our next video. Bye!